Imagine that your desktop 3D printer can print not only plastics but also porcelain or clay. Lets you experiment with automatic deposition of soldering paste, paints or even food. Or does all of this. Now this is possible.
The Ceramic 3D printing kit is a print head and pump for the precise deposition of highly viscous pastes and clay with your desktop 3D printer. Prints from wet clay or porcelain can be burned into useful ceramics. They are strong, durable, heat-resistant and food-safe. This can be a perfect gift, a souvenir, just a hobby, or even a new opportunity for your business. The Ceramic 3D printing kit implements several creative engineering solutions. A compact, lightweight print head can be installed in different orientations. It is compatible with most 3D printers. It provides leak-proof and accurate clay deposition. The extruder eliminates air bubbles from clay mixed by hand. You can easily assemble and disassemble the extruder for cleaning. We provide you with different nozzles to reach the optimal speed and quality of printing. The syringe pump precisely dispenses even thick clay.
Our 3D printing kit is not limited to clay. You can experiment with many different materials and invent new applications for the 3D printing technology.
StoneFlower, perfect technology for perfect ideas.
This is Toybox, a kid-friendly, easy-to-use 3D printer. Browse through the ever-expanding Toybox library filled with hundreds of creatures and contraptions. Customize the toys to expand your already impressive collection for a more immersive playtime experience. You can even draw your very own unique creations. Hit print, watch it go, put it together, and share your creation. It's that easy. Toybox has what you need to create an epic school project, complete with all the details to impress your classmates. Imagination taking over? Upload your own files directly to Toybox and complete your biggest achievements yet, like your very own pinball machine. Toybox. It's a bottomless treasure trove filled with toys and kids' creative potential.
We believe in empowering kids with the tools to create amazing things. That's why we created a 3D printer that can be set up in 5 minutes and requires no training. The plastic is biodegradable and non-toxic, so it's completely safe to use. With your support, you'll not only bring a Toybox into your home, you'll also be inspiring the next generation of young and creative minds.
Kid-friendly, easy to use, limitless possibilities. Toybox.
First, there was light. It witnesses evolution. It witnesses workmanship. We have tried to control and harness its power, but this was never easy. Until today. Our light is ready to witness a new beginning. And now, the power of light serves your creativity.
Designing starts from a small idea to an incredibly magical one, and we love to bring our incredibly magical design to life. The 3D printer is amazing. For the last several years, it has enormously boosted our efficiency, led it possible to make extraordinary things real. Now, introducing ClayXYZ, an incredible 3D clay printer, bringing your remarkable design to real-life object. Everyone can use it to let your imagination run wild. Make your own creative artwork. No matter what you are designing, from building models, vases, cups, bowls, lampshades, sculptures, to even musical instruments, ClayXYZ can help you realize all of them. You can lighten up your life by using the artworks printed by yourself and drinking with your own printed cup. Isn't that amazing? Also, ClayXYZ comes with a 3D model library, allowing you to enjoy the fun of creating artworks, even without any experience of 3D design. Just load the clay, download the model, and start. Done. The standardized process of loading clay is as simple as changing a battery. You are able to choose different clays to deliver different styles. Also, you can glaze the artwork if you want it more fascinating. Glaze it with different colors, then fire it via kiln. Extremely stunning. Besides, you can repair the clay printed artwork. Don't worry about making it worse. Melt it in the water and reuse the material. Pretty environment friendly. Now, we have created an easy-to-use extrusion device. This device can be compatible with many existing FDM 3D printers. It can boost the clay print speed by 15% and enhance print precision from 2mm up to 0.8mm. The coolest thing is no more worry about the cost of print material. The clay is accessible for everyone. We are very excited about what we've built so far, and we'd like to invite you to enjoy the innovative life with us. Now we need your support to bring the magical ClayXYZ to life. Please back us on Kickstarter today.